Hey, what's up all? Thanks so much for tuning back in. Now, while I focus mostly on home and tech products, every now and then I'll jump into a software product that I just love and really need to share. And it kind of falls into that tech area anyway, right? So this one right here is by the company Digiarty, and I've used a couple of their video programs before in the past and love them. Everything from a converter that they've used, the downloaders, and this one here is called VideoProc Vlogger, and it's free. Yeah, it's free, totally free, no watermarks, anything like that, and it's a video editor. This is awesome. Now, I've used a lot of high-end video editors in my past and still currently, and compared to those, this offers so many features that if you're a vlogger, either just getting started, shooting sports, action cam stuff on your phone, whether it's horizontal or vertical, this platform and video editor is going to be able to do everything that you need. Now, it will do things like where it's like the speed ramp ups, where you see something slow and then it goes fast, kind of like those action videos, auto beziers for more keyframes. Yes, now that's getting a little bit more technical, but when you start reading about it and looking at this for a free platform, this is crazy. Also has tons of transitions. You can export audio. You can do things like titles and you know what? Forget it. Let me just show you what comes in this program. So right now I opened it up and it's actually on a 9:16, so it's vertical, right? So if I wanted to edit that, well, obviously I didn't edit this video or shoot this video, in 9:16, but you can do things really easy just right out of the bat. Look at all these options that we have here. I can do opacity levels, we can do exposure, contrast. Now there is a color and filter editor, so if I want to do color correction, look at that handsome chap. Look at all these different color options that you have that you can work with that are presets, and then you can do your own. This, guys, this is crazy. You know, even if this program was $100, I think this would totally be worth it. So, I mean, all right, we just got to keep going here. So many different options here. I mean, these are options that you see in really high-end products, and this platform is actually really fast. And I've been using this to edit a lot of the 9:16 stuff, the vertical content, and it works really great. So I'm gonna do don't save, but let me show you some other things. We have transform, right? So if we want to rotate it, if we want to scale it, woo, look at that, right? Vertical flip, easy. Look how fast that is. Now here's a cool one, right? Height. I fill it up full screen. That's pretty cool, right? If you want to do something and be able to convert easily your 16:9 video to your 9:16 video. We can mess with the audio, play speeds, lens distortions. You got all these different options here. So if you're working with GoPro, so what does that mean? GoPro, it has that really wide bowed type look. You'll be able to fix that right here with the lens distortion corrector, and that way it will look like a normal video, not that fisheye look. Although some people like that. Yeah, denoising. I can change the voice. I mean, this is so cool. Auto levels, things like that, really awesome. So down on the editor timeline here, you can see where I dropped this in, and I split just some of the video just playing around with this, but you can split the video, you can easily edit stuff, whatever you want to do. Really great. You can adjust speeds, you can do ripple editing, there's some other options here, time stretch. So let's see.
Coming soon. The only thing I'm not looking forward to is...
So watch this. So if I want to do that, and then you can adjust the keyframes, because what's going to happen is it's going to do it across a certain amount of time. Let's see if this will play for you. Try to see what that looks like, right? So you can get an idea, and you can easily adjust these keyframes and the beziers on them to do those like speed ramp ups that you see in those high action videos and commercials and stuff. It's right there. I mean, there's so many presets, you just do it, right? So cool. Then if we check out over here, we have our overlay tracks, we have audio tracks. We can always add more if we want to do that. So if you want to mix audio, it has a really great audio editor. Really great audio. No, I can't even say it. A really great audio editor. Yes, very cool. And then back up here, we see our media library. We can import video, we can do pictures, we can like animate pictures a little bit, things like that, music, subtitles. We have our normal titles. So look how many things are already here. So if I wanted to click that, go, you know what, that's what I want. You can see the little subtitle example, pretty cool, right? So I think if I just drag that down here, that's a subtitle track. Pretty cool. Some videos will have that. And then also if I want to do a title, I can just drop my title here. And then you can take that, you can edit it, do whatever you want to it. You can move it around, edit the text. So I'm going to take that back out. Transitions. Look at all these transitions. Oh, holy cow. You have all these different options here that you can do anything with. So if I want to do like a zoom blur, let's do that, right? So check this out. Zoom blur right there, pretty cool. Not bad, right? But you have all these other options too. I mean, there's tons and tons and they keep adding to it. It's free. Oh man, totally insane. We can record audio over it. So if we want to do anything like that, we can do that. Titles I showed you. And then we have even more effects. So if we want to split it up, if we want to do that, let's see, check that out. Pretty cool. So you can see everything that's here that you can easily just be like, you know what? I want to add some effects, make my video look really cool. Look at that. How cool is that? The audio is playing because I messed with the audio pitch on that. We can do fireworks. Let's do some fireworks to this too. How cool is that? So cool. You can do the start times, how many explosions. So you got this whole effects editor, motion editors. I don't even know what else to say. If you want to crop stuff, you can crop it down however you want. So you can do all these different sizes, everything from 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 4 by 3, 1 by 1, all those crazy ones. Whatever platform you want to easily export to, you can do that. And then over here we have our motion editor. So this is where a lot of those other keyframes and Beziers all come into play. You can do a lot of stuff. And it's really cool because some of the other platforms that I've used, you have to split different things to be able to do these motion effects between scenes. And you don't have to do that here. So you can really add keyframes across any of the video and be able to do it. And there's a lot of different things. So, you know, just for example, let's see, what do we want to do here? Maybe let's do a heartbeat, right? So you'll see that right there. So it makes the heartbeat and you can kind of see what it's doing there.
It is a 5-star review.
Pretty cool, right? But you can also go in there, you can adjust whatever keyframes you want. You can do fit to size, anything like that. You can jump to different keyframes. So if you want that keyframe to be a little bit different, you can easily do that. So awesome. And something that you're going to definitely need. So that just shows you a bunch of the different things that this offers. You can export to a bunch of different video formats, and really, you can't ask for anything more for a free program. So I would highly recommend this. There's no watermarks when you export it, anything like that. All that they want you to do is they download it and then you register for your free license key and you get it with your email address and all that. But highly, highly recommend this program from Digiarty, the VideoProc Vlogger. Perfect for anyone getting started, someone that does have a little bit of experience with, video editing. Maybe you don't want to pay for a full theme video editor anymore. Honestly, this has everything that you need to get those videos out there quickly, efficiently, and looking really great. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for joining me. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.